Well, this product here from Ancel, this is the BS200. If you take a quick look at what this is a 12-volt car battery booster. The brilliance of it is it can be a permanent install. I'm basically just going to piggyback this on top of my existing battery. I'll wire it directly to the positive and negative terminals, and it will boost my battery to start the car. Even if the battery's low, this will take the hit. This will take the initial surge to start the engine. But the brilliance of this is these are supercapacitors. These aren't lithium batteries. It comes with an app, which I'll show you here in a second. And the app monitors your existing battery, but every time you start your vehicle, this gives it a boost. This takes the hit. This does all that heavy lifting, so it doesn't put wear on your existing battery. A couple things to note: that this is designed to take the heat of your engine if it's under the hood or if your battery's in the trunk or under your seat, because it's not lithium. You got to keep that in mind. It's designed to work in conjunction with your existing battery. As long as your battery of your existing vehicle remains at least at 5 volts, this will assist. So the unit works automatically. You have the app if you want to monitor your battery or if you want to look at this. You have that available to you. But this is a no maintenance, no worry type product. It just works automatically with your system. Once you've got it clamped in, and it'll recharge the capacitors once the vehicle's up and running. Ancel Superstarter BS200 supercapacitor that works in conjunction with your battery on your vehicle. It also has a Type C that if you do need to charge it just to get it up and going, you can. So you can re-jump those capacitors there with a Type C connector, and it doesn't take long at all to re-energize these. So you can move this around from vehicle to vehicle but it's not a traditional jump box. Keep that in mind. This isn't lithium batteries. These are supercapacitors and give you that extra when you need it.